Almost done with the connections.
What the? This can't be right!
Impossible work in this jungle. All right, let's get this unit secured. Phew, made it through the jungle. Now, just need to finish this connection. Almost done securing this last bracket. All right, that's it. Let's go inside and see how it runs. Welcome inside. As you can see, the split cool air, kum them and roing perkel heat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're installing an AC in a rural spot. First, secure the pipes with the drill, like this. And it's done! Like and subscribe for more HVAC tips.